on, guys? I'm JD. Welcome to High PSI Performance, and today we're going to be installing these aftermarket headlights in this 2013 Dodge Challenger SRT8. Stay tuned for more. Alright guys, so let's get started. Step one, if you don't have a lift, you can just jack the front end of the car up. Fortunately, we have a lift. What we're going to do is start by taking off these plastic panels on top of the radiator strap. Just lift up slightly, they'll pop up, and slide them out. Next, what you want to do is get a 10mm wrench on both sides of the bumper. Right behind here, in between the bumper and the fender, there's going to be a 10mm nut you're going to want to remove. Next, across the top, after we've got the covers removed and the two 10mm bolts on each side of the bumper, we've got 6 push pins that hold the bumper onto the front post. So let's go ahead and get those out. As you can see, now the front end has a little bit of play. We're going to go ahead and raise this vehicle up and get the rest of the hardware on the bottom and get this bumper removed. On the inner fender, you're going to have these bolts in this particular car due to the fact that the front end's been removed due to the Pro Charger install and a few other custom modifications this customer has requested. We now have bolts in this. The factory cars are going to have some one-time only locking pins, push pins in there. We're going to go ahead and get these removed on both sides. Be right back. Next, if you look at the top center of your screen there, you'll see a gray stud sticking up with a nut on there. You're going to want to remove those as well on both sides. Now that those have been removed, if you lift up this splash guard right behind here, there's a 10mm bolt right there. We're going to go ahead and remove that bolt on both sides now. These are the shelf clips that I was referring to. The front bumper snaps into these, and then that 10mm bolt that we removed earlier helps secure it in. Like I said, you want to put your thumb against the fender, push the splash guard inner fender back out, and then with your pointer finger and middle finger press back, and it'll pop the front bumper out of this shelf clip. Like I said, you're going to want to do that on both sides. This Challenger definitely was in need of a headlight upgrade. Unnamed shop did these halo rings, and as you can see, they did a very poor job of ungluing the headlight. They cut it and then tried to epoxy it back together, and it was just falling apart. So the customer wanted to get it done right, so we're going to help him out with that. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and remove the 3 8mm bolts that are actually holding the headlight onto the car. You want to be careful as you remove the last bolt on each side. You got to keep in mind your wiring is still attached to the back of the light. Sometimes you're going to be able to reach in and go ahead and disconnect the wiring before you remove the headlight. However, in some cars you may not be able to do that due to the aftermarket modifications or whatever the case may be. Let's go ahead and knock that out. Ahead and got the headlights removed. And we got the old wiring from the other halo rings removed as well. Now let's get those new headlights tucked in there. Next step, we're going to go ahead and remove the control boxes for the HIDs on both headlights and transfer them into the new headlights. Now that you have your headlights disassembled, you have your HID bulb removed, you have your ballast removed, you can go ahead and transfer everything into your newer headlight assemblies. Now that we got the new headlights installed, let's go ahead and test them, make sure they work before we do the favorite part, peeling the plastic. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this portion of the video. At this point, if you've already installed your new headlights, follow the reverse steps to get your front bumper back on. Otherwise, go ahead and click the link into video 2, which is going to be the install of the Mr. Nasty rings. Thanks guys.